जी हाँ, जल्द आ रहा है इंडियन सिंगिंग मंच, गायकों के जीवन का आधार जो आपके सपनों को करेगा साकार। इंडियन सिंगिंग मंच, आपका अपना मंच। आज ही रजिस्ट्रेशन कीजिए और खुद को एक नई पहचान दीजिए। टी टाइम म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री द्वारा ये सुनहरा मौका दिया जा रहा है, तो देर मत कीजिए और खुद को एक नई पहचान दीजिए। याद रहे, इंडियन सिंगिंग मंच।
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes.
The cuisine itself, where I have grown up and I've worked here. The hospitality begins from Lucknow. I'm a graduate from Lucknow only. So yes, Lucknow was one place missing, and the food was awesome, which we know. So yes, that was the thought behind, and the place was awesome. See, you know why and how, I'll tell you. Most of the heritage places and scenic places and old buildings is, I mean, this is how Lucknow and surrounding places of Lucknow has been known for. You could see a lot of these shootings do happen in Lucknow, Sandila, and nearby where we have forts and palaces. And yeah, so this was an old building which was lying for a small government office, which we thought, yeah, we can do something with the height, the ambience, and of course the keeping the very culture alive. So this thought was given. Of course, see, many food lovers from Karnataka, they do expect the same menu, but then what we have added is the very Avdi part of it. Avdi cuisine is in. You could feel the sense of that, Avdi taste with khada masala and everything. It's very much there in the food, and you will appreciate it eating also. We are going to Jaipur, big time. There are two Tanandans opening along with Bombay Adda in Jaipur now. Vaishali and Tong, that's a place. New Delhi, yes, much awaited. They are looking forward. Raipur, yes. Surat, yes. And then it's Indore. Because of COVID, we could complete that project, but then Indore is now in. So getting back to Indore, yes, we are opening one in Indore very soon. So this is all the openings are there in 2021 only. See, I'll say this is a nice place. It's taken a lot of hard work. With the height you can see, I mean, I could finish this project in more than 4.5 months now. But came up very well. People who have been coming now, they've been liking it. I'm very sure they like the food also. So a must place to visit. Add on to Lucknow.
Thank you for wishes. This was actually like a biggest outlet for us. It's the biggest Tanatan what we have did, and you can see the kind of interiors, the kitchen, everything. And here we have added one more extra section in our Tanatan menu. It's called Avdi menu, because you seen like in Udaipur we introduced like Rajasthani food in our menu, and here like we have introduced like Avdi section in our menu. So I'm hoping like the same thing we are going to copy paste it in Mumbai also, and that will be our third cut of a menu. For this, I would like to thank Meenal. She has did a fantastic job, fantastic. She has made like one of the best of Tanatan, and she was here and she told me like, I think one of my best project was this. If you come to Lucknow Tanatan, I will suggest you to try our Avdi section because our chef is very strong in Avdi food also over here because that what like Lucknow is famous for. So in that like you can go for like we have pasanda, we have like galoti kebabs, then we have some sheiks, and in dessert also we have added a shahi tukda which was never part of our dessert section, and the way it has come out. My best wishes, and I want to do like really good numbers when it comes to, because Lucknow is a foodie place and I always wanted to be in this city because Lucknow is known for a food. So I wanted, even Tanatan is known for their food. I want to prove here also as like we are the best.
It's actually really cool. It's very our interior designer and our team has done a really good job in localizing the place for a Bombay brand to come here in Lucknow and embracing the culture and the heritage that is here in Lucknow. It's pretty cool. I'm really excited for it. Well, ideally, I want to keep growing this brand because it's a brand I really believe in. It's one of the first things that when I joined my dad's company is the first project I saw from the ground up, especially with my team, with Amit and everyone here. I really would like Tanatan eventually in Delhi and then in London. My end goal is London and New York. And I feel like this is a brand that can really kill it in London. So that's what I'm thinking of. Let's go for it.
सबसे पहले अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू नवाबी पीपल ऑफ लखनऊ एंड बहुत खुशी हुई यहाँ आके फर्स्ट टाइम आया हूँ एंड तनाटन से तो बहुत रिश्ता पुराना जुड़ा हुआ है. उनकी काफ़ी ब्रांचेस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड यू कैन से खुले हुए हैं एंड ये उनका आई थिंक तो 6th or 7th ब्रांच है लखनऊ में. काफ़ी खुशी हुई आके लखनऊ के नवाबी तहजीब देखकर और ऑफकोर्स खाना लाजवाब होता है तनाटन का एज़ यूजुअल. सो बहुत बहुत मुबारक टू तनाटन फैमिली एंड रामी के ग्रुप्स एंड अमित को रेत को सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ देता हूँ मैं. और लोगों जो एम्बियंस है लाइक इट्स टू गुड. आई मीन दिस वन इज़ द बेस्ट वन आई हैव सीन क्योंकि बॉम्बे में भी 2-3 ब्रांच है प्लस कोल्हापुर है उदयपुर है. बट दिस इज़ अल्टीमेट वेरी हेरिटेज लुक and food of course one of the best you have.
So we have you're in the city of Nawabs, right? यहाँ बोला जाता है मुस्कुराइए कि आप लखनऊ में हैं. और Tanatan Lucknow, I'm actually very happy that the best of globally India and perhaps Asia and the world, because Tanatan is actually all over the world, is now in our very own Janmabhoomi Lucknow, and this is the most amazing thing that could have happened in Lucknow.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख के कि लखनऊ तरक्की कर रहा है. एंड हाउ मतलब मैं बॉम्बे गया था आज से कुछ 15 साल पहले तो लखनऊ की शक्ल कुछ अलग थी. आज जब यहाँ वापस आओ तो अपना शहर ही नहीं लगता, एलियन सिटी लगती है. मतलब अब ऐसा नहीं लगता कि लखनऊ नहीं रहना चाहिए. एक समय था जब लगता था कि हम बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो गए हैं तो लखनऊ थोड़ा सा पीछे है, बट नो मोर. लखनऊ इज डेवलप्ड लाइक एनी अदर मेट्रोपॉलिटन. एंड बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देख के. तनाटन नेहद भाई हमारे, ही इज़ ग्रोइंग, ही इज़ कमिंग अप विद प्लेसेस. congratulations to Amit also, Nehit bhai also, Raj Chetty sahab also, and thank you for giving such a beautiful place to Lucknow, and I'm sure people will love this.
Extremely excited. Lucknow is like my heart. So very happy to open it here, and I'm so glad we could bring the brand here. I'm really glad we could bring the brand here, and we're doing a lot more here in terms of Lucknow, in terms of cuisine, in terms of food, and we've retained the culture, and I'm very happy about that. So there is lots. There is our galawat. There is the majlisi kebab, which is a must try. Majlisi kebab was like an ancient dish that was in the time of the Mughals that was given to people. And we've introduced this after I think about 80 years. It's on the menu here. There's a varki paratha, which I think all these people tried today and they loved it. There's the shahi tukra. There's so much on the menu. I mean, I think people just should come over like...
जी हाँ, जल्द आ रहा है इंडियन सिंगिंग मंच, गायकों के जीवन का आधार जो आपके सपनों को करेगा साकार। इंडियन सिंगिंग मंच, आपका अपना मंच। आज ही रजिस्ट्रेशन कीजिए और खुद को एक नई पहचान दीजिए। टी टाइम म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री द्वारा ये सुनहरा मौका दिया जा रहा है, तो देर मत कीजिए और खुद को एक नई पहचान दीजिए। याद रहे, इंडियन सिंगिंग मंच।